Alright guys, let's go this way. I see a non-Chrysler over here. What is this? Whoa, you brought the trans and all out? Why you ain't separated? Come on, man. Oh, is it easy to bring it both out? What the hell is this? I know it's a car.
Acura, PSX.
So that's what the book says, bring them both out, or you just...
That's the easiest way, but...
That would drive me cuckoo. We don't bring them both out when we do a 2.4.
2.4.
A Jeep. A
No,
multi-air.
It's like, it's all too tight. So it's like easier for you to pull everything.
And you took them out, and you took it out the top. You didn't like the Pacifica where you drop the cradle. Well, I mean, like the Pacifica, you drop the cradle and bring everything out. But I want to see what kind of car is this. Acura. I think the book says separated. The book probably says bringing the engine out by itself, but no, not Nerman. He wanna do things to.
Hey, ain't everything easy right here? I mean, look at that. There goes the harness.
Crazy man didn't even take the axles out of the left side.
Axles? That shit's stuck over there.
Oh yeah, yeah, one that got stuck. I had one like that. Freaking CVT.
I'm saying that shit already. Hey, I like the starter right here. Look at the starter bolt right here.
Let's start it.
So you got one here, look at the other one.
Oh, how would you do that on the car? Oh, look at that. It's sticking all the way out.
Sits right here.
Oh.
It's a longer bolt right here.
So you would have to move the intake to do the starter.
You can and you don't. You can do it, but you don't have to.
Man, y'all can have this crap. I'm getting out of this business.
Oh, me too. That's what I said a long time ago.
On the motor. And it was on tight on top of that. Who got a YouTube ad? That don't say YouTube, do it?
YouTube certified.
Oh yeah, I didn't even know that. He talking about that, y'all. I didn't even know that was on there. I promise y'all, I didn't know that was on there.
Yeah, right.
Dude, man. Oh, your battery did?
That too, but it's been out there for a while. Like all this, it's up north.
Yeah.
Too. So, she ready? Extra parts.
Extra parts? They're supposed to go in the car, don't they?
Oh, I swapped everything for this one. So you always have extra ones.
Alright guys, don't try this at home. If you're at home, go ahead and separate the transmission from the engine.
Professionals working right here.
Whatever you do, don't try this at home, people.
Real professionals.
These guys are crazy.
They is crazy. There's no way in the world I would have brought that out together. I would have separated that myself. Okay, but those guys, don't try that at home, man.
These guys are really working.
Okay, I didn't want them to. I didn't want them to hear me, but those guys are crazy. Okay, don't try that at home, guys. I'm joking. I got it. Started up clean. Oh, so y'all didn't have to do none of this because y'all didn't break the AC down. Y'all got this in and out in one day.
3 hours.
Holy crap.
If that.
See what I'm saying? These dudes don't mess around. You brought the engine and the trans out together. Getting ready to fire it up here in a second. So came from a salvage yard.
Remember, sir, I home. This right here was full of fucking water.
Oh no! Oh, they sucked in. It's hydrolock?
No, not this one. This one slung a rod or some shit. He said. But that motor from the junkyard had water in the intake.
Oh no! Oh, it's been sitting outside. I thought. Oh, come on, man.
You see all the water shit in there?
That's just the oil y'all drain?
That's the oil. That's the water on the bottom.
Oh, man. Y'all better cross your fingers when y'all start this up.
Man, he bought a junkyard motor. He didn't buy a new one.
You don't know what you get when you get in the junkyard. Exactly. When we get them 3.6s, we don't know if they ticking. We don't know if it came out of a ticking car or nothing. We just taking a chance, huh? They so happy to get a low mileage car that they don't really. How many miles on it? Just 30,000. It still could be ticking, man.
Shit, man. This one I'm rough on this fire. We don't know.
Right, we don't know nothing. Y'all killed that, got that in and out. You man, you gotta jump it off, don't you? Huh? Oh, you need to jump up.
Try it. Come on, baby.
Come on, fuel pump.
Come on, fuel pump. Oh shit!
Elvis.
Drained my whole battery. It drained the whole battery.
It lives.
No shit, bitch. This service just been done. Let's just say this. We just did a fucking overhaul service. I was going to overhaul in 2 hours and 44 minutes, guys. 2 hours and 44 minutes. Y'all pull the motor and put it in and it's running. Boom! Mic drop. You know what I mean? Mic drop. Hold on. Gotcha. I need a motor, y'all. Until I need to put it in. Gotcha, bitch. You gonna drive it, let them get it this weekend?
My bad. Alright guys, they got it running. There it goes, he's done. Yep, as you heard him, he said he pushed it in, now he's driving it out.